Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable hot water mop wash on DJI ROMO. Hot water mop wash means your mops will be automatically like the water for automatic cleaning of the mop pads when the robot returns to base station can be heated up to around 60 degrees Celsius. And if you'd like to do it, you would need to go to the settings in top right corner, then go to base station settings and find hot water mop wash. When it's enabled, then the water for cleaning your mops, for automatically cleaning your mop pads, will be heated to around 60 degrees Celsius. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.